There are a few hints and tips that may help to make the cold capping process a little simpler or more tolerable. The first 10 to 15 minutes of scalp cooling can be difficult and painful for some, but for the majority of people, it does pass as the body acclimatizes. There are a few ways which would help to get through this tough first stage. Take a painkiller in advance. This can be provided by your clinical team. Simple distraction can really help. Try listening to music, watching a film, or have someone talking to you. One patient said she ate really sour sweets, and another set a timer for 15 minutes and concentrated on her breathing as the timer counted down. Make sure that your forehead is protected. There are a lot of nerve endings in your forehead. Making sure the inner cap isn't in direct contact with your scalp helps to really improve tolerability. Headbands don't suit everyone, but there are some alternatives that you can use to help protect your forehead or other exposed areas of scalp. Gauze can work really well for the forehead and can be cut to the right size. Gauze can be provided by your clinical team. For people with a high hairline or widow's peak, circular cotton wool pads can be very helpful. Fold them in half over a credit card and use the card to slide them up into the cap. If you are experiencing patchy hair loss, there is no reason to stop scalp cooling, but we would always advise that any exposed scalp is protected from direct contact with the cold cap. If possible, you can rearrange any retained hair to cover exposed areas of scalp. Or alternatively, you can use a theater cap. Just prepare your hair in the normal way and then put the theater cap on before you fit the inner cap. Your clinical team may be able to provide you with a theater cap, or you can buy them online. You can also cut gauze to size to cover specific areas, but it is not always the easiest to keep in place as the cap is fitted. You can still wear glasses with the cold cap on. Try to avoid placing them under the cap as it can affect contact with your scalp. The best way to wear them is to hook them onto the bungee cords on the cap cover. Wearing earbuds or headphones is also fine. Just lift the cap cover, pop them in, and then put the cap cover back. Now that you've watched all of our tutorial videos, feel free to go back and re-watch any of them that you feel would be helpful. We would also suggest that you practice fitting your cap in advance of your first treatment so that you are familiar with the process. From everyone at Paxman, we wish you the smoothest possible treatment.